Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about something every developer is curious about: the best AI coding assistants in 2025. Let's get started. First up, we have Cursor. Cursor has been making waves because it's not just an editor, it's a full AI-powered IDE. It understands your code context deeply and can generate whole functions or even files based on natural language prompts. Next is Windsurf. Windsurf focuses on collaborative development, brings real-time AI assistance, making teamwork much smoother. If you're working in a team setting where multiple developers are building together, Windsurf provides intelligent code suggestions, debugging help, and even architectural guidance. Moving on to Klein. Klein is known for its lightweight yet powerful AI assistance. It doesn't overwhelm you with too many features, but instead provides clear, actionable code suggestions. It's great for developers who want AI support without the complexity of a fully integrated environment. Think of it as a coding companion that stays simple but effective. Then we have the classic GitHub Copilot. This is one of the most popular AI assistants out there. Powered by OpenAI's Codex, Copilot can suggest entire code blocks, autocomplete functions, and even help with documentation. Finally, let's talk about VS Code AI integration. VS Code is already the most widely used code editor, and with built-in AI features, it has turned into a powerhouse. You can now get real-time AI suggestions, error detection, and debugging right inside VS Code. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more content about AI tools and coding productivity.